Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add fog on your photos on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First, you will need to download a backgroundless image of a fog on your smartphone. So open up your web browser and now go into pngtree.com and search for clouds. Once you find a transparent cloud image, you can tap on it and proceed towards download. Once you download this PNG, it will be available within your gallery. After downloading, simply open up the Snapseed application on your device and then tap on the plus icon to open up a photo from your gallery. After opening the photo within which you would like to add your fog, tap on the tools option and then scroll down and tap on double exposure. You can now tap on the plus image icon and now just open up the cloud image that you downloaded. Once you open up the cloud image, go ahead and pinch to zoom in so that the cloud will look more like a fog. Once you have chosen the texture of your fog, you can go down to the transparency settings and choose your transparency and opacity setting using the slider. After choosing your desired fog level, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner and now you can proceed with exporting your image with the fog added. And there you have it. That is how you can add fogs onto an image on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.